If you or someone you love has poor eyesight or maybe shaky fingers but love to fish, you're going to love the MyTie from 3aoutdoors.com. It makes tying fishing knots easy. Let's check it out. This is the MyTie. Simply place your fishing hook on the embedded magnet on the front of the tool and push your fishing line down the trench and right through the hook. It's that easy. Now route your fishing line around the MyTie as per the instructions and make sure you left enough tag end to work with. Now give it 6 to 12 turns, depending on how thick your line is. Stop in the up position. This is what it should look like with all the twists and the loop already made for you. Now take your tag end, push it right up through the bottom, put it right back in your fingers, and your knot is already tied. All you have to do is snug it up and trim that end. The MyTie from 3A Outdoors comes in 3 high visibility color combinations. It includes a safety lanyard to make it easier to keep track of, and you will never donate one to the bottom of the lake because it floats. The MyTie makes a great gift for yourself or for others. Check out the link down below and find your MyTie today.